If you're like most people, you do not have a carpet cleaning company you can count on. My name is Michael Clevenger, and I am the owner of the Cleaning Monkey. We do carpet cleaning, tile cleaning, and upholstery cleaning. Matter of fact, we're on a job right now. We're doing this area rug, we're doing all the tile here. I'm even, if you look here, I'm restoring that very, very old little Bugs Bunny. He's about 60 years old. But we do all kinds of fabrics, we do exotic rugs, we do delicate upholstery. Those are our three main categories: carpet cleaning, tile cleaning, and upholstery cleaning, fine fabric cleaning. And we specialize in showing you how to choose a cleaning company. Most of the general public does not know what all is involved in a thorough, deep, healthy cleaning. And we show you that. And unfortunately, most of the public, you probably are included in this, the only thing you know about carpet cleaning and upholstery cleaning are the ads that you see on TV or the prices that you see in the newspaper and on the internet. You've seen them, 3 rooms for $99, and they even go lower than that. Well, I'm here to tell you that you cannot get a thorough, deep, detailed, all-natural cleaning job done for those prices. And I explain all of that to you. So the way things work with us is you'll give us a call, we'll set up an appointment, I'll come out physically to do an estimate, we get the chance to meet, I get to see your job and any special spots that you have, if you guys have pets or whatever your main concerns are, we get to address those. So we're even willing to do a free demo. That's right. Pick your dirtiest room or a piece of upholstery, and we'll do a free demo to show you our work, what all is involved. I'm confident that once you see our work, once you see everything that's involved, you will never have to look for another cleaning company again. So please click below. Go to our website and watch all our videos. We also have a YouTube channel, has a ton of videos of our actual work and our customers, us interacting with our customers and what our customers are, their reaction to our work. You'll really enjoy that. So please give us a call, and I look forward to meeting you.